My name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. I'm also the owner of Carter Law Firm in Phoenix. And today I want to respond to a question I recently got. The person asked, how can you find out if an image you've searched for is copyrighted? Okay, that's an interesting question. Because what this question tells me is that the person is under the impression that a photograph maybe has to be registered before the photographer has copyright rights in it, and there is plenty of misinformation out there that that you can use any image out there as long as it hasn't been registered with the Copyright Office, or if it doesn't have a copyright notice on it. If you don't see it, it's free for the taking. And that's just not true. A person has copyright rights in their photographs the second they take them, even if they never put a copyright notice on it, even if they never register it with the U.S. Copyright Office. Just by taking the photograph, they are the copyright owner, and they have the exclusive rights to control where their work is copied, distributed, displayed, performed, and what derivative works are made based on their photograph. So if there's an image that you want to use and you don't see some type of Creative Commons license on it, or some kind of disclosure that says feel free to use it if you give me an attribution or anything like that, or hey, just use my photos, then that's a good indicator that the copyright holder does not give you permission to use their work without permission. So that's when you want to send them an email or call them up and say, hello, I really like your photograph. I would like to use it, please. I've done that many times, and I've never had a problem getting permission. The only thing I have to do is just wait for them to respond, which sometimes, depending on how busy they are, may take a little while. But nobody's ever said no when I've asked for permission. If you don't ask for permission and you just use it and they find out about it, you could be setting yourself up to get sued for infringement, or just get a bill, because if they license their work for a living, that's probably what they're more likely to do. Or they could just send you a cease and desist letter, or a DMCA takedown notice. So, but when in doubt, ask permission, and always assume that the copyright holder is going to protect their copyright to the max and act accordingly. Because there are situations where even if you thought that you had permission or you thought it was okay, the person who owns the image in question could still lay the smackdown on you. And there's not a whole lot you can do in that situation to undo it. You can't just beg forgiveness and make it go away necessarily. So I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any more questions, feel free to send me an email. My information is below. Subscribe to the channel. I try to put out new content every week. And with that, I think I will talk to you later. Take care.